Hi, everybody. I'm here on my back deck on a beautiful, beautiful March day and near self isolation. Trying to keep myself at home and busy on the computer. Give me a good opportunity to uh, to update you all on the market and COVID-19. So the spring market, it started off 2020 extremely strong with many multiple offers and considerable competition between buyers for single family homes and well-priced townhouses. Overall, new records are being set, even with the rapid decline in the stock market. The Squamish real estate market just seemed to be going up and up. In the past few days, however, a lot has changed. Some buyers have moved back to the sidelines over coronavirus concerns, and some sellers are even limiting access to their homes. This past Saturday, we saw fairly strong interest at open houses, but not nearly as strong as the week before. Um, what does this all mean? I think we're likely going to see a decrease in actual sales in Squamish as traffic slows down and buyers take a wait and see attitude towards the market. In terms of pricing, I don't think we will see too much change either way. I think the massive cuts in interest rates, coupled with the fact that buyers very much still want to be here, will offset the negative market conditions and fears. You know, I look back to the stock market crash in 2017. Prices of Squamish real estate actually went up for a few months after that crash before coming down again, and they came down about 8% off of that October 2007 price, the time of the initial crash, and they stayed pretty steady from there. They stayed pretty steady there until about January of 2014, when, as we know, it really, really began to take off to the numbers like we're looking at today. So my advice to buyers and sellers remains the same. Real estate is a good investment. It serves a purpose. You're not merely trading paper, but you're working with an essential need, which is housing. People still need somewhere to live, and more of those people want to live in Squamish. Um, this I truly believe. I think that this is what we will see in the coming months, especially as these fears begin to subside. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it, and as always, I'm happy to share mine. I do want to share my my reaction to COVID-19 and real estate as it is today. I've shared my opinion on how coronavirus and the resulting stock market crash will affect the real estate market in Squamish, but I want to share how I'm dealing with it today. Being a realtor is an innately social business. We're helping people with important life decisions. Good networking and self-marketing is part of that. Indeed, many realtors have built their entire business and their persona on their gregarious nature. Having said that, I don't think I'm without social skills, but I prefer to think of myself more as a trusted advisor, and I think I can still do an excellent job helping people with their real estate needs, but while doing my best to flatten the curve. As of today, March 16th, I'll be severely limiting my own in person social interaction with others until we get advice from reliable sources that it's safe to carry on business as before. What we do and how we behave today and in the coming weeks will make a real and lasting impact on those in society that need us to take action now. I like to think I provide an essential service, but comparatively, I don't. I'm still here to help you, my clients, however I can responsibly. So until further notice, I won't be hosting any open houses. I've always said that this accounts for a very small percentage of potential buyers. And in truth, it probably benefits the realtor more than the seller anyways. I won't be doing any in-person meetings at the office or coffee shops. I'm absolutely happy to do a video call with you on your favorite app or even meet for a walk on the trails to discuss your needs. Almost anything needs to be signed can be done digitally. I will be doing private showings at listings, but only by appointment and only if the seller is comfortable with it. I'll be providing booties and latex gloves, and I'll dispose of them for you after each showing. If we're doing a buyer tour, I'll ask that we each drive in separate cars to the listings. I'll provide clear instructions on how to get to each listings, and I'll even provide a fun map. If you'd like to meet with me for a listing of your home, I'm happy to come to your home to have a look. I might look odd in my gloves and booties. I'll look around, I'll ask a few questions, but the bulk of my analysis will come later that day by video and email. It's possible that a month from now I'll look back on this and think I was probably overreactive, but to me, I do think it's the best. It beats the alternative. As a much smarter person than me once said, when the public health service is working properly, we shouldn't even notice. So on that, to you and your family in good health. Thank you, Scott.